Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix iPhone reminders not working properly. iPhone reminders app not working properly problem. So the first fix is to ensure the reminder app is set up properly. If not, go to the app and complete the full setup. Complete continue, tap full setup and add your reminder and try. The second fix is to enable location service. For this, go to settings. From here, tap on privacy and security. Tap on location service and make sure location service is turned on for every app. So that's it. Now the third step is to verify iCloud sync. For this, go to settings again. This time tap on your Apple ID. Tap on app using iCloud. Tap on iCloud. Now ensure reminder is turned on. Tap on show all and make sure reminder is turned on here. Here, make sure reminder is turned on. If it is turned off, turn it on. Now the fourth fix is to offload and reinstall reminder. For this, go to settings again. Tap on general. Tap on iPhone storage. From here, search and locate reminder app. Tap on show all and you'll get here. Tap on offload app. This will only delete your app. It will keep your data, but it will only delete it. Delete cache and everything. Now wait for a few seconds and tap on reinstall again. After reinstalling, try the app again. If the issue is not fixed, then you have to do the fifth and the last step, that is uninstall and reinstall reminders. So simply go to reminders, search for reminders in app library. Simply hold it and you'll get delete app option. Tap on delete and delete it. Now what you have to do, go to App Store and download reminders again. That's it. These are the fixes. Thanks for watching.